Hello. Today we are going to learn how to rotate a given shape by 180 degrees. For that, we first need to write down the coordinates of the different points. So over here we can see A is 2, comma 3. Point B is negative 1, comma 2. And point C is 1, comma negative 2. Now, the rule for rotation by 180 degrees is that the coordinates x comma y on rotating by 180 degrees become negative x comma negative y. So, for the first point A dash shall be the negative of x, that's negative 2, and the negative y, that is negative 3. Similarly, for B dash, the negative of the x coordinate, that is negative of negative 1, it becomes a positive 1 and then negative 2. And for the point C dash, negative of 1 and then negative of negative 2 becomes a 2. Now we shall plot these points on the grid. First is negative 2 comma negative 3, that is A dash. Then we have 1 comma negative 2. So we have it over here. That point becomes a B dash. And then C is negative 1 comma 2, which is over here. That becomes C dash. Now we shall join these points. And the red figure which we can see is the rotated triangle by 180 degrees. Thank you for watching.